So what we have here today is a muffler from a 2013 Smart for 2, and the problem is they want you to take the whole rear bumper. So you got to start with the rocker panels, then you take the rear door apart, then you take the bumper cover off, then you take the bumper off just to gain access to these two bolts on the top of this. So what I did here was I used the original exhaust, which this is a new replacement exhaust. I used that to make the jig, and then I cut a section of pipe out of that 90 down there, and I welded two flanges in there so that we can essentially put this small piece of pipe up inside in the tight area that they give you to work in, and then we can bolt the muffler to the car. And then also, being that I have the jig now, I could actually take and repair the old one if I wanted to. Over here you can see where the flex pipe is missing because that's what rotted out. But I could take this old exhaust and bolt it in that jig, put a new flex pipe in there, use the jig to locate the angles and the flanges correctly. But that gives you the option to just infinitely repair these for as long as you need to, since it's a common problem with these. But okay, a couple things we just wanted to add to this. You can see we have the old muffler set up on this stand now. And I'm going to walk around this side. You can see the top flanges bolted to the jig. You can see where the flex pipe that was there rotted off. You can see where that goes. So now it just holds it in place for you until you repair it. Do your, tack everything in place, weld what you can, and if you have to, take it off and weld the rest of it. But that's that. And then we're going to show you what the pipe, the short pipe, looks like underneath the car. You need a light? Are you good?
It's good.
Not ideal to work on, but it's doable. Too bad.